سب سے پہلے تو میں آپ لوگوں کا شکریہ ادا کروں گا کہ آپ لوگوں کے تعاون سے یونٹی کمیونٹی کا جو سفر 2015 میں شروع ہوا تھا ہمارے بیسمنٹ سے. Oh, sorry, there are two who cannot understand Urdu, so I'm very sorry. So the journey started from my basement in 2015, before general elections of Canada. Few of the prospect candidates came to us and said that, can you support us? So we said that yes, we will have a meeting with our like-minded friends in my basement. There we decided and we deliberated that Canada has given us a lot. Alhamdulillah, we are established here. We have very good house. We have nice car. Our kids are now established. My two daughters are lawyers. They are practicing here. Alhamdulillah, everyone in this gathering. I see Aftab Rashid Bhai, his daughter is also a lawyer. So Alhamdulillah, everyone, kids are doing well in this country. This is a country of prospector. If you are working hard, you can achieve. You can achieve and you can be a successful man here in Canada. So we decided that we should play our role and to give back Canada. What we can do? How can we make Canada strong? So there are three things came into my mind, which were the sayings of the Holy Prophet. When he was entering into Medina, he spoke three words. First, peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. Number two, feed the hungry. Number three, maintains kin's relationship. यानी अपने अजीज अकारिब का हक दो और उनकी तीमारदारी करो. There are these spoken words of the Holy Prophet. We laid down our foundation on these three. If you go our website and see our mission, there are three things which are the spoken words of our Holy Prophet. So we are working on maintaining peace, not over in entire world, but in our neighborhood, in our city, in our country. Feed the hungry program. Alhamdulillah, we are maintaining.
ये बहुत डिवोटेड आदमी है.
By Monday.
As I'm really thankful to all of you who are so supportive of us.
Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. How's everything? How's everybody doing? First off, let me check in.
Good.
Good. Seriously?
Yes.
Okay, let me ask you. How is everyone doing here in this room?
Good.
You know, it is such an honor and a privilege to join Unity in the community one more time. And I hope that this unity never ends. We went through probably, I think, one of the most turbulent times in our country over the past 6 months. Whether it is about tariffs and the US and how we negotiate to make sure that Canadian industry continues to remain strong. Whether it is about standing up for and fighting for human rights, as it is in Gaza, as it is in the West Bank, as it is in Yemen, in Sudan, with the Uyghur community, with the Rohingya, with Kashmir. Whether it is standing up for small local business, whether it is standing up for ensuring that our communities are able to celebrate with their families as the summer months progress, shadi, biyah, and like bad situations as well. are we able to get our community into Canada? There are so many issues, there are so many challenges that we need to continue to work on. And none of that happens in a vacuum. None of that happens with one single person. It is about a community effort. It is about people coming together and saying, hey, look, we need to do better for Mississauga. We need to do better for Ontario. And we need to do better for Canada. And so that is why I am here today, because I have so much love and respect for unity in the community. The work that they do, whether it is about women's rights, whether it is about human trafficking or crime in general in our community, whether it is about raising funds, raising food for our local food banks, getting coats and warm gear for people that really need it the most during winter times. That is why I'm here, because I believe very, very strongly that we need to ensure and we need to work together to ensure that we are successful as a country, that we remain strong as a country by working together, by celebrating, by accepting, and by taking ownership of our diversity, our really different talents, and our abilities to make sure that Canada, our adopted home, is a place that we support outside of our work, outside of
Alaikum. You know, there's an expression, most men only get flowers on their deathbeds, so it's a pleasure to finally get a pair of flowers. Look, it's been a very long week. It really has. And so to end the week off in a room like this with so many friendly faces is perfect. It is exactly what I want. So thank you all for taking the time to be here. Maybe we start with a round of applause for each and every single one of you. It's always difficult to give a speech after Ikra does, because she says it all so perfectly. So instead of repeating myself, I will get straight to the point. I'm here tonight because this community does such incredible work. And you do incredible work not only as my people, and let me be clear, you are my people, but you do work for everyone in this community equally. You are everywhere, you're involved in everything, and it goes a very long way because everyone notices it. So thank you for the work that you do. It means the world to this community, to this city, and to the people of Canada. Earlier it was mentioned, a note on Palestine. I am Palestinian. I am proudly the first Palestinian in Canada in the House of Commons. I appreciate the applause. I haven't done anything yet, but I do appreciate it. Look, if you think there's a day where I don't think about the promises I made 2 months ago during the election, you're wrong. I think about the commitments and the promises I made every single day to the people of Mississauga Centre. That is in my writing, that is on public safety and healthcare, on every issue that is under the sun. But it is also on Palestine. It is also on Palestine. So I think about that every single day. Here's my commitment to you all. I will continue to be behind you. I will continue to work with you. I am here and I am an ally, and I say that extremely proudly. Here's to 10 years and to hopefully 20, inshallah. Thank you all for having me. Ma'assalam.
Late, everyone. I have come to this event over the past few years, and by just natural reaction, I went to the Meadowville West Church complex where we usually have a lot of our events there. So I apologize for running in late because of that. I know how much you honor time and our presence being here, so I wanted to just...
It's great seeing all of you again. I've seen a lot of you a number of times at a lot of community events, so I gotta hold this microphone over here. I know Councillor Hornick wanted to be here as well. He's on vacation with his family, well deserved. But really I just wanted to talk about this community, because sitting over there and looking at all the certificates, those certificates represent hours of time. They represent dollars that you've donated to the community.
کوئی تو ہے جو نظام ہستی چلا رہا ہے، وہی خدا دکھائی بھی نہ کر بتوں میں، وہ ہے
بہت شکریہ.
رسول اللہ وسلم علیک یا حبیب اللہ.
میرے ساتھ مل کے سب پڑھیں.
صلی اللہ علیک یا رسول اللہ وسلم علیک یا حبیب.
It's my honor to be here at this beautiful platform of unity in the community. I know this organization for a long time. I remember when my son, he was looking for his grade 12 hours. And I asked Brother Fasif, and he said, yeah, just to send him, and he can work with us. And so he did his volunteer hours, and mashallah, today he's a doctor now. So it's all because of Fasif Bhai, because of his organization that he is helping all those students and everybody. And the same with me, like I was doing a volunteer for this organization too, where in the beginning when they started this organization. I'm really thankful to you, and today, alhamdulillah, I'm a member of Parliament from Hamilton Center. So if you guys, thank you, Brother Faris, thank you very much. My colleague is in here. I welcome you. This honestly is my own organization. I have very deep roots with this organization, so I'm so happy to be in here, and I can welcome you all. Thank you very much. They told me I can take these flowers with me. Absolutely. Thank you, everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much for inviting me today to celebrate the 10th anniversary of Unity in the Community. And I know Mr. Fasif long time before even Unity in the Community, and before even I'm a member of Parliament. So I can claim that I attended every event for Unity in the Community except one. There's one I was in Montreal, so I couldn't make it. But I always be happy to join Mr. Fasif, because I know he's doing a great job. He's getting the community together, and I'm very humbled to be here today to address the group. And I have with me today the newly elected member Sylvia Golteri from Mississauga. I think she's gonna say her own speeches after me, but I think all of you know me because I'm very connected with the community, the extended community here, and even all of you have my cell number. If anybody doesn't receive messages from my cell phone, not my emails, if you don't receive any message from my cell phone, then I don't have your number. That's your responsibility. Because my number is public. Everybody here have my number. You can share it.
Our friend Carolyn Parrish wanted to be here as well. Sometimes the job as mayor pulls you in a million different directions, but great to be here with MPP Golteri, who I know quite well, who's my mother-in-law, and of course Sharif Sabaway, who is a very hard-working MPP. I see him everywhere in Mississauga. Why I wanted to come here tonight is I've seen the work of Unity in the Community, and you do great work. I remember even before I was mayor of Brampton, Fazi, seeing the work you were doing, the food drives you were doing, which is not limited to Mississauga, it's across Peel. I saw work you were doing really firsthand in Brampton that was inspiring. And it's not just the food drives, whether it's gender equality, you've been a great voice in the community, and you brought the community together. And so hearing that you were having a gathering, celebrating your work, I wanted to be here to say that there's a lot of people like myself that are grateful to have organizations like yours in the community. The reach of government can only go so far. When you build a great community that has heart, it's why we have organizations like this. I look around the room and I see so many friends who I know are involved in so many different fields. And there's a lot of Bramptonians here too, Fazzy. There's, although we're gonna try to recruit Fazzy as a Bramptonian. I know he loves Mississauga, but we're gonna adopt him as an honorary Bramptonian because he has a lot of heart, and we love people that have a lot of heart. But I did tell my mother-in-law a lot about this organization. I said, this is the type of organization you want to get behind in Mississauga because they really are on the ground level of helping others. And I see that in the Pakistani community, the sense of everyone is close-knit. No one is left behind. I think that's what unity in the community is about. No one is left behind. And everything you do is to make...
بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله بلغ العلا كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله.
Thank you. That was a very scary time, to tell you the truth, for government. It was a very scary time for a lot of people in the community. And I think it's very interesting that sometimes the human nature and human mind wants to forget bad experiences and pushes forward to look to the future. And so I know all of us are trying to do that, but we also have to learn